Hey guys, welcome back to Fretline Studios. Today I want to do a very quick beginner lesson on how to play Oasis Morning Glory. Chosen this one just purely because they're everywhere at the moment and I assume that there's going to be people picking up the guitar wanting to play Oasis songs. Okay, so let's jump right in. We're going to do an E power chord, so we're going to do open E string on the top here. We're going to do second fret on the A string, second fret on the D string with our first finger like that, and then we're just going to play these three strings here. Do that twice like that. Then we're going to play the G note, which is the third fret on the E string there. Then we're going to do an open A string, which is the second string down here. That's second string there, so we're going to do an open A string. We're going to do a B note, which is at the second fret. So that would give us... Then we're going to do a D chord, which essentially is that. So it's an open. We only play these bottom four strings. We don't play these top two on this chord. So we play that open. We play this first finger at the second fret. We do the second finger also at the second fret. We do the third finger at the third fret on the B string, the one in the middle there. So, and then we play those bottom four strings. That's a D major chord. There is a video on my channel how to play that properly. Gives you a few tips and tricks. So go and check out my channel if you're struggling with that. Okay, so this is the riff. Nice one. Okay, hit that subscribe button there for us. And yeah, drop us a comment. Let us know if it's helped you or if you're playing ONE or Oasis at the moment. Cheers, guys.